Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through this quick integration problem. This problem requires U-substitution, which basically means we're substituting out a variable for a part of the equation to make doing the actual integration easier. All right, so here's what we have. We have the integral from the interval 0 to 1 of x plus 1 squared times the square root of 3 plus x plus 1 cubed. All right, and to do the U-substitution part, we're going to take a piece of our function and set it equal to u. So in this case, I chose to set u equal to 3 plus x plus 1 to the third power, and then you take the derivative of u, and you'll see why later. Because we need, well, I'll just tell you why. Because we need to differentiate our variable with respect to whatever variable we're using. Up here, we're differentiating it with respect to x. Over here, we need to do it with u. So we need to take the derivative of u, which in this case is 3 times x plus 1 squared, and the 3 just goes away because the derivative of a constant is a constant. All right, and so because this whole section right here is our u, the square root of u is basically our equation now. We don't include this part in anymore because we already have it represented over here by the x plus 1 squared in the du. We don't have the 3 over here because we don't want it. There's no 3 in our actual equation, so we need to get rid of it. So we put 1 over 3 on the outside to make it cancel out, because 3 over 3 is 1 and it'll be gone. All right, and then another way of writing this, the square root of u is u to the 1/2 power, and then we're just going to take the integral of that like normal, and we get 1/3 times 2/3 u to the 3/2 power, evaluated from 1 to 0. Then we just simplify that. 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 3 is 9, so we get 2/9 times 3 plus x plus 1 to the 3rd power. And this comes from resubstituting our u value back into our equation, or our x value back into our equation. All right? And so we simplify, well now we start evaluating it. So we plug in our 1 for our x's in this equation, which in this case is just 1x, and then we plug in our 0 in this equation into our x value. And then we subtract them to get the area between the two spots, and you end up getting 2/9 times 11 to the 3/2 power minus 2/9 times 4 to the 3/2 power, and then you can factor out the 2/9, and you're left with the square root of 1,331 minus 8, and that's your answer.